Hello everyone, Hazel's Emporium here. Welcome to my channel, Hazel's Emporium. And to those who are new to me, my name is Hazel. Welcome and thank you for coming to my pram. So for today's video, this is from Casetifcase company. This is another replica store online specializing in phone cases such as iPhone case, Samsung. They also have the AirPod bags, or this kind of small little one for our AirPods. So they also have that, and a card bags, which is like for our credit card, our debit card. They also have this kind of small little bag to that. And so they sent this product to me for free, no payment involved here. I received this product for free in exchange to my video, which is I am doing now. So I will be unboxing in this video and I will try this on. So all the information about this company is down below in my description. Please go check. And I also have a discount coupon, $5 discount coupon, Hazel sale. You can use that. Okay, here are some samples for your guidance. So there is an iPhone cases, there is a Samsung, AirPods. So as you can see that, and I like this Gucci though. It looks like classy. I do love it. So you can go check down in my description below and order yourself. Give a gift for yourself, as I've always said that. And you can use my discount coupon, Hazel sale, $5. It's a big help to our economy now. Inflation is going up. That doesn't mean we have to stop shopping. As I've always said, it is a gift to ourselves and it feels great, right? So without further ado, let's unbox this. Okay, please see me more in my unboxing and in the try on of this. Thank you. Please careful when using sharp objects, okay? Thank you. Oh my god, look at this. This is so exciting. I have this and I have this. And this Gucci. I can't really wait. Let's open up one of each, okay? Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. So I got my iPhone 14 Pro. And this comes with this casing, so you can have cards, credit debit cards, identification here, one more room, two, and here and here, and this one, and here with your iPhone. How cool, eh? With this belt or straps. So cool. Beautiful though. Look at this, guys. Very neat. And oh my god, this is so beautiful. You know what? You can have this. This is very good to go. We don't need our purse. We can put all the cards here, identifications, and have our phone. And with this sling on or straps, right? So let's proceed to another one. Oh, this one too. This is like a belt casing, right? Go that way. Have your belt. And super cool. Very cool. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. And another one here. Oh, moly. This is, oh, look at that, guys. Hear that? Super smooth, so perfectly. So let's proceed. Let's open up this. And oh, Wow, look at this. You can have your cards here, tuck in, right? So cool. Safe though, because you can use this zipper, and with the cute sling on too, like, oh, look at this. I can't really wait to try this on. Put this and good to go. And on the other side. Oh, cool. Very cool. Haha. Isn't it? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this. Oh, I love it. Super. So, please see me more in my try on in this.